All right, everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today at the beginning of the day, I went ahead and strapped down that water heater wire, put on all the mud rings in the last unit that I was working on Friday, and then went ahead and made up the panel, got all the wires landed there, and then moving on to my next task, since Nick was finishing up the room next to me by himself. If you remember, really long time ago, like months ago, maybe 3 months, 3 or 4 months, I don't know, maybe it's only been like 2 months, but anyways, back down here on the third floor in the parking garage, if you remember all the pipe work and all the junction boxes and stuff like that. If not, that's what it looks like right there. So also, where I was going with this was going ahead and hanging the lights that I wired in here a really long time ago, potentially my first day that I was here. So hanging these lights, if you remember before, hung all thread, got all the boxes mounted and wired up before, ready to go. So went back through today for the second half of the day, actually, yeah, pretty much the second half of the day after lunch, because I was cleaning up until lunch. So went ahead and started hanging these lights, pretty much just putting them together down below on the floor, just so I don't have to stand in the lift or do it up in the air. So just getting all these lights ready to go down on the floor, kind of like 2 or 3 at a time. And then once I hung them, I got them wrapped in plastic wrap, kind of like saran wrap, and then taped it just to keep them clean, and then spray painted the covers orange before I left because they're silver right now. So putting the silver covers on and then spray painting them when I leave. So anyways, so basically to assemble these lights, take them out of the box, and then take the end covers off, the end caps, and then you kind of just lift off the cover. It just kind of folds out, and then wiring in the light. So I'm just cutting a piece of wire, stripping it, putting on the connector, and then tying in the wires ground to ground, neutral to neutral, hot to hot, or switch leg, whatever you want to call it for the application, and then putting the light back together, and then knocking out the little holes on the side of the light for the monkey arms, which is what the lights are hanging off of, onto the eye hooks up there on the ceiling on the all thread. And then yeah, just going up there and hanging the light on the eye hooks, and then wiring it in, tying the wires together in the junction box, putting the cover on, spray painting it. So hopefully that gives you an idea of what I did. If that was way too fast, I'm sorry. Here is the lift that I'm working on, a little aerial lift, and have a little wooden ramp. As I'm working on the concrete ramp right now, I have a wooden ramp so I can have the aerial lift nice and flat so it doesn't tip over or anything like that. So here's all my supplies: my orange paint, my connectors, MC connectors, my stranded 14, I think that's a 14-2 wire, saran wrap, covers over there in the left corner, and that pretty much wraps it up. And then I usually have my tools on the right side, and that pretty much wraps it up. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. There's the monkey arms right there to hold the light to the eye hook, and that should do it. So anyways, thank you guys for tuning in, appreciate it. All right, everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Thanks for checking out the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd love to see you guys back here in the next one. It would greatly help out the channel. Don't forget to also don't forget to check out the description for all my social media, my Instagram, Daily Electrician YT, and then hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams, or check out past live streams. Anyways, that should do it. Thank you guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. 2 more days of work. Should just be easy doing lights up on the 3rd floor like you saw in the video today. So I'll be doing that for the next 2 days. Hopefully I can finish. Basically starting exactly right where I began that job, right when I came in. I think the first day I was there, I began wiring those lights in, and I've been there for like, it's probably been like 6 or 8, 9 months. I don't know how long I've been there. I'd have to go back and check the YouTube history, but been there for a really long time. So it's kind of nice to start there and finish there. It's kind of whatever that word is, memoric. No, I don't know. I butchered that. Anyways, it's nice to like kind of bookend, start there, wiring the lights, and then coming back and hanging them at the end of the job before I leave. So anyways, that should do it, guys. Peace out. Also, one more thing, I don't have any work videos planned for Thursday and Friday, obviously, because I won't be working anymore. I'll be jobless until Monday. So if you got any video ideas that you want to see on Thursday and Friday, Saturday and Sunday, drop me a comment down below. I'll try to get to it if it's a video that I can do. So anyways, that should do it. Bye again.